Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the double shot kit for November 2025. So the double shot kit includes two brand new collections. You'll receive cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. Along with your kit, you also have access to two recipe files. So these are designed by our design team, and they create two double page layouts, and they give you their cutting and assembly instructions, and then you can create right along with them. Also, when you're a subscriber, you have access to a free exclusive cut file designed by Cut to You. And so this month is this awesome cut file, photo of the day with the title and then the camera with a couple of little Polaroid pictures there. Super cute. So if you have a digital die cutter, you can cut that up and use it with your kits. We always have lots of inspiration over on the Facebook group and the blog, so be sure to join us over there for more. This month, our two collections are Echo Park Snow Day and Echo Park Mom's Kitchen. So this is a lot of fun. I love, like, both of these have the blues in it, which I love the blues. Scrapbooking with those. This is a gorgeous winter collection, and even if you might not get snow and all of that, I really think this will go well with any type of wintertime photos. And then of course, Mom's Kitchen is good year round. So let's dig right in and take a closer look at everything you're going to receive in this month's kit. The first kit we're going to look at is Snow Day from Echo Park. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of denim cardstock and 1 sheet of corn flour. And please remember that I film really early, so sometimes due to supply issues, the cardstock colors may change. Or the names may change, but the colors will remain the same. The colors will definitely match and they'll be very similar. It's just we may have to get different manufacturers. For your pattern paper, we have this multicolored snowflake. Super cute. The plaid and the blue, or the gingham check. This paper is called Snowflakes Falling. And then we have a tiny white snowflake on that navy blue. And the back is a striped in all of the different colors. That paper is called Simple Snowflakes. Then we have this gorgeous winter floral print with pine cones and the snowflakes. And the back is a snowflake in the brown. This paper is called Chili Floral. So one more look at your pattern paper. For your embellishments, you're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have a border of all the trees, a large wide border of the scalloped plaid. Titles, Brr, so cold, 'tis the season to be freezing, Snow Day, the little winter banner, and then all of the little icons. I love the little critters in this collection. Look at that cute little bear all bundled up. So that is Snow Day from Echo Park. Our next collection is Mom's Kitchen from Echo Park. And you're going to start with 2 sheets of navy, 1 sheet of red cardstock, this beautiful floral on the white, and then the red gingham on the back. That paper's called Gathered Floral. And then we have this dark blue paper with all of the different icons from the kitchen, from the cutting board, the colander, and the little fork and the knife, and then words. The back is this kind of leaf print on this minty green. This is called Kiss the Chef. I love these two colors together. It's super cute, and that navy just really makes it pop. Then we have the 4x4 cut aparts. So these are great as embellishments, or cut the little pieces off for journaling spots. Fussy cut some of them. The back is a large plaid, and that is the 4x4 journaling cards. One more look. For your embellishments, you're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. We have a large scalloped floral, the words recipes, delicious, love, a Mom's Kitchen, fresh and delicious. I love the cute little eggs here, and the icing piping, oh so sweet, Kiss the Chef. Super cute. So that is Mom's Kitchen from Echo Park. One more look at your double shot kit. Be sure to grab all those freebies that you get for subscribing. Join us on the Facebook group and the blog. Join in those challenges and win some prizes. Get inspired and create right along with us. Thank you so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.